it's dark in here.
It is.
Turn these lights on. Let there be Jesus light. Maybe the power's off. Oh no, I see them lights. There we go. There we go. Got a lot of these fake marble columns.
How you making any fake marble?
That's what I'm doing, Hayden. I like the floors though. That's dope. Oh wow, you see the master?
Oh.
Just stop.
What I need for our office. I like the house with mirrors. It means if I look at it,
They got the little glittery tile everywhere. Hold on, here it comes. Where you at?
in a master. I like everything about this backyard.
Okay, it's a decent sized closet. Not, big as I thought it would be. Oh wow, they got dope dealer cameras. Like they Tony Montana in this bad boy.
Look.
Yeah, that is nice. They did some nice work. Got the indoor pool, in-ground pool.
Mm-hmm. Fancy.
I like this sink. Oh man, this is
Yeah.
dope.
It's nice looking in there.
I like this. I ain't never seen these before. These special order.
They special order.
Special order. Looks real.
Oh wait, an additional part. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay. Now I like it.
This is my closet right here. This will be for me. In here.
Oh yeah, no, this is a nice closet. So that's the other one is just for the cameras.
Or for you. For you.
Wish I would, nigga. I got all the fly gear. This is nice.
Yeah, that's about your size right there, yeah.
Yeah, it's working. It's nothing. I'm a simple man.
I like you too.
Man, I like this floor. You don't like the floor?
Yeah, that's cute.
Does the glitter show up on the camera? Yeah, I think it do. Let's see.
I wouldn't do this kind of table right here though.
It's the style of the whole house. It's
Yeah,
it's a small
it
table.
clashes with the floors.
It's an extremely small table though.
I wouldn't do this kind of furniture out here either.
Extremely small fireplace too.
Yeah, it's got like, hit or miss things. But I dig it. I dig it.
The floor though is like super
This the
dope.
color kitchen should have been in that last house.
Oh yeah.
That and this house could use a lighter kitchen with it.
I like this marble.
Okay. It's 3 bedrooms.
For 3 bedrooms?
Yeah.
What would this be? A ballroom area like?
It's the living room.
That's the living room right there.
Oh, I
Okay, maybe we got a finished basement.
don't know.
Oh, I can see that it's finished. Turn the light on.
I don't see it.
Let me see if this is it.
This one right here.
It's like 6 more right beside it.
I know. You gotta let me get to them. Calm your nerves.
They nerves are stay calm. Calmest person you know. Oh, they don't work. A lot of them are out. And it's dark. Let me put on my different.
Ping pong or something?
Huh?
Ping pong or something?
Another kitchen. They got bedrooms too. Oh. like the house alone. I like the house, I like what they did with the floor and stuff, but I like the $500,000 house in Boston Edison better.
Yeah.
Personally.
I would say it could be about 500-650.
They asking 1.4.
No, not 1.4.
1.4.
But what's supposed to do this for you?
I don't know. Unless you're having a lot of parties, get-togethers.
It's just a wild factor, and then that's it.
Yeah.